Alright, so today we are going to test these two tiny speakers which you have seen before in the unboxing video. These are 4 ohms and 2-watt speakers, but these are not like how I expected from the Flipkart. The pictures were different in the listing, but they have sent different speakers. And so anyway, I've connected the speakers to this tiny amp. It's a PAM 8403. That also you have seen before, but you're seeing all these things, these old speakers, cabinet and all this stuff, because of I had this one USB card that is not working properly. So this kit needs a 5-volt power supply. So I have connected these speakers, all the wires. You can see that the input audio and the USB card here, because these speakers have this 3.5 mm jack and the USB for power supply. So I'm using this wire, that's why I had to open this thing and connected the wires. So now, and I'm gonna use this Infinix 1.2 ampere 5-volt adapter. And now you're gonna test these two speakers. Let me turn it on. And we're gonna connect this 3.5 mm jack to this mobile phone, and you can hear the sound coming from there. So this was the small video on testing this speakers and this amp. So I hope you like the video. Stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.